bombs, they have changed everything. They blew the walls out. So that means you can escape up into the stands. There's a hole down in the floor, leads down to some tunnels. I've tried it, and you can disappear down there. So the moment you hear that bell ring, you ignore the weapons in the middle, and you run as fast as you can for that hole. And you find a place to hide down below.
Alone? No.
Yeah.
Jessup's my friend.
No. The moment that bell rings, you can't trust anyone, not even Jessup. Just lay low down there until it's safe to come out.
Thank you for taking care of me.
I can't let you die. You saved me. You saved me, Lucy Gray.
I'm sorry.
Hey.
I'm more hopeful during the daytime, but when it gets dark,
It's okay. It's okay. I am gonna get you out of here. I promise. Back to the covey, okay? Is this real? Just tell me if I'm gonna risk everything. That song.
That song was payback, that's all.
My old boyfriend, Billy Tope, he was cheating on me with the mayor's daughter.
The girl from the reap.
Yeah, she got crazy jealous. She had her pa read my name up on that stage, and now everyone will know what they did to me.
Yeah. You take this.
No, it's too fine.
It is not a gift. It's a loan. What's in here? Don't touch it. Don't even breathe it in, because small amounts can be deadly. Look, I have seen what war does to people, okay? I've seen it. And there will come a time when you need this. When you need to act. We all do things we're not proud of to survive. Hey, we are gonna win this, Lucy Gray. We're gonna win this together.
That friend of yours, Blyth, you might want to find him a seat near the door.
Corey.
Hey.
How you doing? You all right?
Over here, please.
Better.
Tell me this will be over quickly.
I gotta get my tools posted.
Here we go, everyone. Come on, let's go. Sit down, Festus. Come on, everyone. As you know, we're about to go live. Just because you're not hosting doesn't mean you're off the hook. Help me. Don't get lost behind your screens. No yawning, no gum chewing. Keep your chins down, heads up, shoulders back, and smile. It's why we have teeth. Okay, ready? We're gonna start, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2... Good morning. I'm Lucretius Lucky Flickerman, a man who needs no introduction. Weatherman, amateur magician, and today, I'm honored to say, first ever host of the Hunger Games. In my hand an envelope, sealed, my prediction, the winner to be opened by me upon the big show's end. Whoa. They're here. We're getting more. All right, we're about to start. We're starting, everyone. We're starting. Happy Hunger Games, happy Hunger Games. Remember, when your tribute dies, get out of here.
Enjoy the show. Enjoy the show. Enjoy the show.
Stand on your mark, or you will be shot.
Move.
Ooh, Marcus. Guess we can all sleep better now knowing he's off the streets.
The monsters! All of you!
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Jessup.
4, 3,
Jessup.
2, 1.
Run. What are you doing? Run.
Jessup, we gotta go. Come on. We get out of here. We gotta go. We gotta go.
They've gone underground very quickly, but we're prepared for this. What you're seeing now is a live feed of security cameras.
This way.
High and Salt from the other side, pincering in on Lucy Gray. Here comes the pack. Surprising High and Salt.